Kothari coaching classes. In the last lecture, I explained about what is a partnership firm, what is a partnership deed, and method of capital. There are two methods of capital: fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method, the capital at the end of the year are remaining same. There is no change in a capital. Only the additional capital is brought in cash or in kind, then the capital balance is increased. Otherwise, the capital balance remains same. Under the fixed capital method, we have to maintain two accounts: partners capital account and second partners current account. Every account has two sides: left hand side and right hand side is known as a debit and credit side. Under partners capital, suppose there are two partners A and B, then we have to prepare capital account, debt, particular, LF, A rupees and B rupees. Debt, particular, LF, A rupees and B. Debit 5 column and credit 5 column if there are two partners. Like this, current account also have the same column: debt, particular, LF, A rupees, B rupees. Debt, particular, LF, A rupees, B rupees. Left hand side you must write down debit side of both the account and right hand side CR side. First, normally capital account show the credit balance, so the balance of capital account is taken on the capital credit side as by balance brought down. In adjustment is given additional capital introduced in cash, then you have to write down on the credit side by bank account. Suppose additional capital brought in asset any in kind, then by asset account additional capital introduced. Then normally this item is the capital account, and then capital account is closed down. On the debit side there is no item to balance carried down. All adjustment about the capital account are taken to the partners current account under fixed capital method. Current account, sometimes current account show debit balance, sometimes current account show the credit balance. Otherwise, one partner's current account show credit, another partner's current account show the debit balance. If the debit balance, put on the debit side, to balance brought down. If credit balance, put on the credit side, by balance brought down. Then in adjustment about interest on capital, salary and commission to partner, drawing, interest on drawing, all these are taken to the current account. Interest on capital is a gain of partner, so it is taken on the credit side of partner's current account by interest on capital. Then salary given to or commission given to any working partner, it is also gain of the partner taken on the credit side of partner's capital current account. Then if there is a profit, net profit, then it also taken on the current account credit side. On the debit side you have to put the drawing, interest on drawing, and suppose there is a net loss. If there is a net loss, it was taken on the debit side of the current account. After this completion of the adjustment, current account must be closed. If the credit side total is more, then difference is taken on the debit side to balance carried down. If debit side total is more, then you have to put on the credit side by balance carried down. So under the fixed capital method, there are two accounts are maintained. First one partners capital, second one partners current account. All adjustment related to the capital, profit, salary, commission to partner, drawing, interest on drawing, all are taken to the partners current account. So this is the first method, that is known as the fixed capital method. Second one is the fluctuating capital method, pro forma of fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating capital method. Under this method, you have to maintain only one account, that is a partner's capital account. All adjustment are made to the partner's capital account. अपन ने जो करंट के क्रेडिट में लिया है जो, वही अपने को कैपिटल के क्रेडिट में ज्वाइन करना है. करंट के डेबिट में लिया है वो कैपिटल के डेबिट में ज्वाइन करना है. ओनली वन अकाउंट इज मेंटेन बिकॉज अंडर फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल आर चेंजेस ईयर टू ईयर, बिकॉज ड्यू टू द एडिशनल कैपिटल इज इंक्रीज, ड्यू टू द विड्रॉवल ऑफ कैपिटल ड्रॉइंग capital is a decrease, due to the profit capital is increased, due to the loss capital is a decrease. So second fluctuating method as regular as capital account only, सारे एडजस्टमेंट अपने को कैपिटल में करना है. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी, कमीशन, नेट प्रॉफिट, ये सारे कैपिटल के क्रेडिट में लेना है। डेबिट में ड्रॉइंग, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग और नेट लॉस, डेबिट में नेट प्रॉफिट क्रेडिट में लेना है। Then capital account has to be closed down, and finally the capital balance come is shown on the balance sheet liability side. We know that in 11th standard we have to prepare final account. First one is a trading account, second one is a profit and loss account, third one is a, now we have to prepare new partners capital oblique current account, ये अपने को नए से ओपन करना है। एंड फाइनली द बैलेंस शीट, फाइनली इज द बैलेंस शीट। इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड वी लर्न दैट ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड which item come all direct expenses related with the purchase and production taken on the trading account debit side, all revenue and income related to the business taken on the trading account credit side। तो ट्रेडिंग के डेबिट में क्या क्या आता है? टू ओपनिंग स्टॉक, टू परचेसेस लेस परचेज रिटर्न और रिटर्न आउटवर्ड, टू वेजेस, टू रॉयल्टी, टू import duty, to octroi, to manufacturing expenses, factory rent, all these are taken on the debit side of the trading account। Credit side में क्या आता है? By sale, less sales return by closing stock। Then we have to, second part is the profit and loss account, other indirect expenses which are not related with the production or purchase of business, which are related with the office management and other expenses are taken to the debit side of profit and loss account। For example, salary, rent, printing and stationery, advertisement, discount allowed, commission, sundry expenses, miscellaneous expenses, carriage outward, etc. All income are taken on the credit side of profit and loss account by discount received, by commission received, by rent received, by dividend received, etc. Then we have to prepare specially partners capital oblique current account। First we have to close the trading account, it gross profit transfer to profit and loss account credit side, then close the P&L account profit and loss if credit side is more than to net profit transfer to capital or current account, if debit side is more by net loss transfer to capital, profit taken on the credit side of capital or current account, loss taken on the debit side of capital or current account, then capital or current account close, that balance taken on the balance sheet। And we know that balance sheet is not an account, it is a statement, it is a statement of financial position, it shows the assets and liability of the business। Left hand side is the liability side, right hand side is the asset side, then you have to close the balance sheet। Balance sheet required must be tallying in both sides become equal, and by this way you have to prepare the partnership final account। Only first we have to learn method of the capital, how the capital account is maintained under the fixed capital method and under fluctuating capital method। So the 11th standards final account is the base of the 12th standard final account। Those who are prepared properly in 11th standard, they have to less problem to solve the partnership final account। Trial balance is given, adjustment is given। We know that every adjustment has two aspects, one is debited, another is a credit। Not debited, credited only, equal amount of debit and equal amount of credit। Still this final account is a compulsory in annual examination and it has 12 marks। अपने को 12 मार्क्स के लिए फाइनल अकाउंट आता है और ये फाइनल अकाउंट टैली करने में अपने को समय लगता है, लेकिन विद इन अ शॉर्ट हाउ टू टेक द टोटल, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इसलिए अपने को उसको प्रॉपर से लिखना है, अमाउंट के नीचे अमाउंट प्रॉपर से लिखना है तो टोटल इजीली होता है एंड प्रॉब्लम बिकम अ टैली। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज द पार्टनरशिप एंड पार्टनरशिप फाइनल अकाउंट। व्हाट इज द पार्टनरशिप एंड पार्टनरशिप फाइनल अकाउंट? पार्टनरशिप का मतलब जो बिजनेस में दो या अधिक व्यक्ति एक साथ में आते हैं और बिजनेस चालू करते हैं और जो कुछ नफा तोटा होएगा वो आपस में उनके एग्रीमेंट से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पार्टनरशिप। पार्टनरशिप में मिनिमम 2 आदमी लगते और ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना लगते? 50 के ऊपर 51वां पार्टनर्स आ गया तो वो कंपनी में, प्राइवेट कंपनी में कन्वर्ट होता है, उसको फिर पार्टनरशिप बोला जाता नहीं। सो मिनिमम 2। एंड व्हाई द पार्टनरशिप इज डूइंग? तो अकेले को कैपिटल लाना मुश्किल रहेगा, तो एक से दूसरा रहेगा तो अच्छा मिलेगा, वो कैपिटल भी लाएगा, काम में भी मदद करेगा। जितने पार्टनर ज्यादा रहेंगे उतने वर्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा। वी कैन मैनेज द प्रॉपर अवर बिजनेस, वी कैन एक्सपांड अवर बिजनेस। फॉर दिस पार्टनरशिप फर्म इज टू बी मेड एंड दिस पार्टनरशिप एक्ट वाज पास इन 1932। सो अपने को इस टॉपिक में फाइनल अकाउंट, ट्रेडिंग, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट। इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आई एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंट एडजस्टमेंट। कई हिडन एडजस्टमेंट रहते हैं, ट्रायल बैलेंस में एडजस्टमेंट दिए रहते हैं और कई नीचे एडजस्टमेंट दिए रहते हैं। हर एक एडजस्टमेंट के दो इफेक्ट दिखाना है अपने को। 22 एडजस्टमेंट और 6-7 हिडन एडजस्टमेंट अपने को देखना है। और कई आइटम ऐसे है, सम आइटम इज दैट in trial balance given it is taken directly. For example, outstanding expenses given in trial balance directly taken to the liability side. If prepaid insurance is given, taken directly asset balance sheet asset side. Like this is known as the direct item taken to the balance sheet में लेना है और बाकी के ट्रेडिंग P&L में लेना है, प्रॉफिट लॉस निकालना है, बाद में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है एंड देन बैलेंस शीट को क्या करना है, टैली करना है। थैंक यू।